Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Bhattad, a UI UX designer at Sports First. Thanks for tuning in. As a designer, I'm passionate about creating user friendly designs. Today, we'll focus on Nike, one of the most popular sports product apps, and explore how its cart page succeeds in motivating users while identifying areas where it could improve. Also, I understand how important the cart page is in the e commerce journey. The cart page is where users review the products they have added, make adjustments, and proceed to checkout. A seamless and well designed cart page can make the difference between a user completing their purchase or abandoning their cart. Today, we are going to dive into how Nike handles this critical part of the user experience and how we can apply some of these lessons to our own designs. What is a cart page? A cart page is where users can review all the items they have selected for purchase. On this page, they can see the products they have added, adjust quantities, remove items, and move forward with the checkout process. It's the last step before confirming the purchase. In Nike's app, the cart page displays all the items a user has added, along with product details like size, color, and quantity. Nike's cart page also includes options for editing the cart, such as changing the size or removing an item. Additionally, the cart page prominently features the total cost, including shipping, taxes, and any discounts that may apply. What makes a great cart page? Let's break down the key elements that makes a great cart page using Nike as a reference. First, clear overview of items. Nike's cart page provide user with clean and simple overview of all the items they have added, including product names, images, sizes, colors, and quantities. This makes it easy for users to review their selections and ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Second, easy quantity adjustments. Nike allows users to change the quantity of items in their cart or remove products entirely. This is a critical feature because sometimes user may want to buy more of one item or remove an extra product without having to go back to the product page. The cart makes it easy to make those changes. Third, clear pricing breakdown. Nike's cart page includes a clear breakdown of the total cost, including item prices, taxes, shipping, and any promotion or discount that apply. This transparency helps users to know exactly what they are paying before they proceed to checkout. It also reduces the chances of users being surprised by hidden fees. Fourth, prominent call to action. Nike's cart page includes a clear and easy to find CTA, such as checkout or proceed to checkout. The CTA is designed to guide the user smoothly to the next step of the purchase process. The button is usually a bold color that stands out against the rest of the page, drawing the user's attention. What are the learning from Nike's cart page design? Nike's cart page is effective for several reasons. Let's break them down. First, clarity and transparency. Nike clearly displays all the items the user has added to the cart along with the product details. The pricing breakdown is also transparent, showing item prices, taxes, shipping, and discounts so user know what they'll be charged. Second, simplicity and user control. Nike's cart page gives user full control over their selection. User can easily adjust quantities or remove items, making it easy to refine their cart before checking out. This user control improves the shopping experience and reduces frustration. Third, clear path to checkout. The CTA to proceed to checkout is clear and easy to find. Nike makes user know exactly what to do next without confusion, which reduces the chances of cart abandonment. Fourth, cross-selling and personalization. Nike takes advantage of cross-selling opportunities, recommending related products such as workout gear or accessories. This personalization helps to increase average order value and makes the shopping experience feel more tailored to the user needs. What are the tips for designing an effective cart page? Here are some practical tips for designing a successful cart page based on Nike's approach. First, provide a clear overview of items. Second, allow easy adjustments. Third, be transparent about pricing. Fourth, make the city prominent. Fifth, offer cross selling suggestions. Sixth, provide guest checkout options. Why cart pages matter in sports and fitness apps? The cart page is critical because it's the last step before users complete their purchase. If users encounter friction here, whether it's unclear pricing, a confusing layout, or a complicated checkout process, they may abandon their carts and leave your app. Nike's cart page is designed to make the process smooth and straightforward. It gives users control over their selections, provides transparency with pricing, and makes it easy to proceed to checkout. These features not only help to reduce cart abandonment but also improve the overall shopping experience. Thanks for listening. Let's stay connected for upcoming videos in the future. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. It's just one click away. And don't forget to share this with your friends, family, or anyone who loves sports technology, or leave us a review or a comment.